friends, welcome back to Shreya Log. Here I am again with a brand new poem for all of you. So this poem is very close to my heart because this talks about the various aspects of worshipping the Almighty, not at all restricted to the religions that we belong to, but the overall philosophy around it, because as you may be aware of that there are various ways in which some groups are inciting violence or all in the name of Lord. So there was one particular instance which actually inspired me to write down this poem. Hope this poem makes you think more about it. House of Judgment. The sinners reached with a sense of fulfillment. They rejoiced and tears like a warm blanket engulfed them. Nay, said the Lord, and he closed his eyes for a second. Is this what I witnessed you call worshipping? Countless eagles then descended from above, each with their own version of the secrets of earth. There were those who took pleasure in beheading and reciting a prayer, and there were those proclaiming to be martyrs of the Almighty Himself. Each version was cloaked with uncovering of the beheld truth, and the bloodied soil where the earth consumed the bits of soul in the red pool. The Almighty, deep in thoughts, dwelling on the love and frightened with the death, measured the injustice and spake. Strange it is the passion and the desires, some for redemption and others for pleasure. He closed his eyes and a lightning struck. The space between the earth and sun quietly shrunk. The river of light once again paved a way, like a marble blanketed the minds of the young, the old. For humanity was to be restored. Countless suns injected from the eternity that escaped to the eternity the present holds. Strange it is, strange it is. Thank you so much for listening to me. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing to Shreya Law. Please share it with your friends if this poem actually struck a chord with you. Thank you so much, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.